Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just having a local walk today at St Aidan's near Leeds. Probably a little bit of an update about the dog. If you remember, we got her about 5 or 6 weeks ago. 15-month-old Labrador who's had... Golly, come here. Here, what's this? Here, sit. Here, sit. Carlin. Here, what's this? Sit. Sit. Good girl, wait. 15-month-old Labrador who's had very little training. And I won't lie, it's not been the easiest of 4 or 5 weeks. We've been getting a little bit of help from a trainer, and she's doing, I have to say, a whole lot better. This is the second walk we've done here. And I'm concentrating really on heel work with her, because it was non-existent up until a few weeks ago. So my place of tranquility has become a place of dog training. But she seems to be taking to these swans and ducks going past her without a right lot of interest in them. Anyhow, that's what we're up to. And we've come for our second walk here. I've been introducing her to the countryside little by little, because hopefully she's going to become a countryside companion. Interesting how these two swans seem to have a flotilla of geese behind them. So yeah, the posts have got a little sparse, mostly down to the dog. I was saying to someone yesterday, in the past we've had dogs that have been a bit crazy, and that's been manageable because we've been that much younger. But really there's not a lot of room in my life at the moment for a crazy dog. I need a calm companion when I'm out, which is why I've decided to get some help. We've been going to see a dog trainer, and she's giving us lots of tips and advice, which is partly why I'm here today, because it's a quiet-ish sort of a place and it's not a complicated place. So I've come to work on a few things with her, and I'll try my best to make her I'll try my best. Callie, try my best to make a video with her in tow. It's not a bit easy. See you in a bit. Oh, geese poo. I wondered what it was that was making her so excited. And she squished it in and rubbed it into her back. Oh dear, we're about 3/4 of the way round the walk. Come on now, come. And I've gone probably a little bit further than the dog trainer says we should, but she's been doing really well. I'm alternating between periods where I have her walking to heel properly, which I didn't realise. I suppose for a dog that's just learning it, it's quite intense mentally and physically, so I'm giving her a bit of a break and just letting her kind of do what she wants, as long as she keeps going in a forward motion for me, because it's about this time on this walk that I start to have had enough. There is a quicker way back, but again, she's done really well because we've met people and people with dogs and cyclists. I mean, it's like the Tour de Methley today is this place. So there's a way through the meadows and a little bit of woodland that you can only access by foot. So we're going back that way. And as you can probably tell, it's uphill. And I've told you many times before, this entire hill, all the lakes there, were up in Cast coal mining, and this entire hill was waste from the pit. So we've both had a break, had a drink, but there's a much nicer place to sit up here. So hopefully we'll sit and chill for 20 minutes in the meadow in the summer that finally seems to be arriving this week. Third week in July. But yeah, she's doing great. She could barely walk on the lead when we got her. She was crazy when she met other people and mad in the house. And little by little, she seems to be getting there. Come on! Anyway, I'll see you at the top. I was going to sit down when I got to this high point. But I'm not sure I'll get back up. So I'm going to keep pressing on. All the benches so far, the decent benches, they've all been taken. But that's where I'm heading to. The car park and the old coal mining machine. But yeah, I think I'm going to rest now when I get to a bench a bit nearer to the car park. But this is a delightful spot. But she's getting hot. I'm getting hot. So I think we're probably as well to just press on now. But she's done ever so well, so I'm just letting her. This is a bit of a reward, all the sniffing and stopping. because she's done really well, and then she's going to do well again on the way back to the car. Come on. But yeah, it kind of has spoilt my enjoyment of nature. Not spoilt, that's the wrong way to describe it, as an interruption of it. But what I have to remember is that it was a Labrador that this whole interest in nature and outdoors and photography, it was through a Labrador that all that started. She came to live with us when she was 5, and we became the best of friends, and we used to go everywhere together. And on days like this, she'd just follow me and wait while I took photographs and wait while I did a bit of video, and she was a joy to be with. So I'm hoping this little lady, with this intensive effort that we're putting in, I'm hoping that she goes the same way. Come on, Carly. But as you can see, at the moment, she's quite hard work. But she'll be going into training mode again soon, and then she's not such hard work. Come on, now let's get to this gate. Have a breather. Anyway, thanks for watching. Again, it's a bit of a different sort of a video, and some of the big ideas I've got I'm not getting done at the moment, but it's all about getting the dog sorted. I'm sure we'll have a lovely dog once we've done all that. And maybe we can start having some of these big adventures that I've got my mind set on. But if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments about the video, then leave them below. But until the next time, I will say cheerio.